What's up, y'all? So back again with just another video. Just been back testing today. Been really just kind of going over UJ because I like UJ, been trading UJ for a little bit and gonna have some changes with my trading this year. So right now I have been just like I said, analyzing UJ over the course of this previous year, just kind of looking at ways I could have capitalized on the market. And just basically been going over this previous monthly candle. Because I remember, like I said, I was trading this month. After that month, I basically stopped. I was done with UJ, and then I got in for buy, but again, wasn't able to capitalize. So right now, I'm just taking a little quick short trade in a buy right now. Probably not going to be in the buy for too much longer because it's like so high, like very high. But on the lower time frames is giving me more bullish structure. And like I said, it's not up to me to say when the bulls are done. So right now, like I said, I like to look on the daily so because it's very clean, very clean data. So we just had this little seller's exhaustion, but it's really not seller's. I would say it's just a retest of this resistance area where that black line is right here. Um, which is like I said, an area for of interest. If you were gonna sell again, this is so bullish. We're looked on the higher time frame. It's so bullish. It's probably going to create a higher high, meaning like it's probably going to over the next course of next year break this high because we just created a higher low compared to this low right here. So we just like I said, that's why it was such a good order because basically the market structure was creating a higher low. So we could have sold to that higher low and bought back in on this higher low. So right now, again, I'm in a buy because I want to see price actually break. This is the, beginning of this new year coming up. So right now, what I'm seeing on the lower time frames, because like I said, I like to go down to the 4 hour, um, based off the daily structure, we already know where we're at. We just seen this basically do a retest of this resistance level right here. Resistance level right here. So at this point, we just create on the 4 hour a higher low again. So again, we just created a higher high on a 4 hour. This high is actually higher than this high, which is cool. And now we're at again a higher low. So basically this higher low is retesting this previous higher high. So we're looking to see big bulls based off this order. We don't know, but I'm kind of in right now for a buy at the price range I said with the entry. So looking on this lower time frame, we're just basically trying to figure out why we got into this order. So again, based off the monthly, we know we're in a heavily bullish trend has been going on since 2021. Crazy, crazy, crazy bullish trend. So go down to the weekly again. We see that we have just created what was previously a higher low point, broke past the previous high point. So now we're trying to create a higher high. Awesome. Awesome. Higher high from here and then also break this high here. So like that's the goal, which right here so far is about 400 pips. Awesome. So again, on this 1 hour, which is I think the best area to trade. I was gonna get in as soon as like I looked at the market and I was looking at just basically I didn't want to enter at 5 o'clock because there's a lot of high spread 5 o'clock is the worst time to enter. As soon as the market opens, it's horrible. And I was looking at this 1 hour candle. Let me get rid of this. We know why we had that again, because this area right here, this entire area here is retesting this resistance. So again, we're getting rid of that. And we're getting rid of that. Again, so like I saw how clean it actually was. Like I know I love to talk about order blocks, and this basically is an order block. Let's look at it. Right here, this is an order block. So I was like, wow, look at this. So sexy, so clean. Like boom. That was an area of interest. And it had wick past it. If you look down to the lower time frames, which I love to do, I don't know why. But like I was getting so scared because it went past this, even on the 15-minute, like you're looking and it's like it closed exactly the same as it did as the 30-minute, which kind of like made the same candle pattern, this bullish engulfing. So then I stepped back and I said, yo, that's a bullish engulfing. So I'm on a 15-minute and I'm like, I seen this 15-minute close. Next 15-minute, I was like, let me get in there. Let's look at it on the 5-minute. I basically got in on this retest. I was like, if you don't get in now, you're not going to be in the area. And that's all that you kind of need to worry about, even though I'm placing a large lot for my little account. And I'm probably going to make another video this year talking about this. Why do I keep placing such a large lot? But I think it's my trading style. I just have to increase my skill. And the skill comes with this. Basically just correcting my entry points. And this is not that bad of an entry, but again, for the large lot and I'm placing, the better order would have to been got to get in here. I would say even at this area would have been better. It would have been a better order or a better risk is what I'm really trying to say. So this is about an 10 pip risk. So this is 10 pip from my actual stop loss. And my stop loss, I really like to place like under this area, at least 5 to 10 pips under this area. 5 pips. So like my stop loss right here is about 15 pips away, about right here. So I mean, like not the best risk to reward. When I could have had like a probably like 5 pip stop if I would have been able to get in at this low, like basically where I had put this line would have been the best area, but actually getting in at 6 o'clock could have been the best. But it's okay. It's okay. You gotta go ahead and get with the times, get with the fact that not everything is gonna be perfect. So again, I don't even like to be on this lower time frame for too long because I get confused. So looking at this 1 hour, we're kind of just playing with vibing. We just closed a 30-minute candle, which is this bullish engulfing that I was telling you about 15 minutes ago, and another 15-minute close, basically continuing the bullish trend that we got. Like I said, that kind of was sales exhaustion with this wick right here too. So now we got this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern that just retested this previous bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So now we're just like looking to see price break this area of resistance and then to see how far it will come to break this area of resistance. So I like to go ahead and mark my basically my TP is I look on the 4 hour most of the time because waiting on the daily can be very inconsistent because there can be large retracements. So like it just previously I talked about this market structure, the most previous area of market structure you put your fib at. So it just created a lower high, a higher low. So at this higher low, I placed the 100% fib, and then I put the 0% at the top, at the high, and then basically at the 27% will be my first TP. If it comes here and basically shoots through it, I'll be willing to hold the trade to see if we can get more pips or if we can get to this 20. if we can get to the 61.8%. Now, if it can, that's awesome. If it can't, I'm not going to be tripping because I'm going to guarantee that I get out within 5 pips of this negative 27%. And that's if it gets there. This is about 80 pips, 87 pips away from my actual entry. And then the TP2 is 157. So we'll see. I have, like I said, a pretty decent lot up here. I have a point four. I have a 0.42. So I think that's decent. Um, for about a 90 pip trade, 80 pip trade, you're gonna make at least $100. And we're just trying to consistently make $100. And that's about what I make at my job now. And if we can consistently make what we make at our job, we can at least get our mindset to the place where consistency lies. So again, like I said, I'm just vibing with this video. I just came up here to show y'all a trade I just take. I'm in currently. I'm gonna make another video. The other video that I'm gonna make is gonna be basically a second part to that UJ recap of the 2024 recap of the best market plays. Best market. I mean, UJ is beautiful. It's been trading just well for since 2021. We talked about this. It's been just been murderous. It's about 6,000 pips to anybody that's been trading since 2020. You've been killing UJ. You've been smacking it. And I mean, if you've been trading UJ knowing how to trade, this is what I'm saying. So I'm gonna be that person. And my next video after the 2024 recap of UJ best market moves is going to be basically me posting the result of this trade. Again, we're just trying to get data for myself. I don't really quite this YouTube channel is for me. So like, when I get profitable, I'm probably going to create a new YouTube channel, create a completely different channel with like my paid people. I'm gonna have a videographer that will be able to create nice, clear, concise videos that are just phenomenal. But for right now, again, this YouTube channel is just for me and me creating my data. And that's what I get excited about. That's what makes me actually come up here and mark up my charts. So like I'm just trying to take my journey as what it is. And I am not gonna stop until I am that consistently profitable trader that I envision myself to be. And I've gone ahead and create a better future for my family specifically. And that definitely sometimes requires money. And not only does this skill help me to have money, it helps me to teach my nephew, my baby cousin, and other family members that want to know how to trade, or at least gives them a different pathway into starting their businesses. I can go ahead and put that down payment for that house. I can put that, loan that they might need to start their business. And, $20,000 might not be bad to me, you feel me? But that might be life changing to my family members, like I said, to my niece, my baby cousin, and all the other people that I know. So again, I'm gonna end this video just because I'm about to back test some more. And I'm probably gonna release another video coming up soon, probably in January, of me talking about my strategy, what exactly my strategy is, an in-depth explanation of it. And then another video will be me posting about my risk management strategy and what exactly that is in detail, my risk management strategy. So again, I'm out of here. I'm probably going to continue to back test, just look at the charts. I'm not going to be OD focused, but I'm about to set my alert. And because it's 6 o'clock, like, I'm not about to trip about this trade, only because it can do 100% retest back to this point. So like if I need to get out, I already set my stop loss so that I'm at least in profit. So yeah, that's cool, man. I'm gonna exit out. Have a good day. Love y'all. Peace out.